to nature.
Look at the beauty around.
Wow! Oh no! Mommy! Mommy, what shoes are you wearing?
Guys, don't forget to check if your shoes are the right ones for the forest.
It's better now. Let's go.
Mosquitoes! Run!
I have better idea.
You also need to have repellent. It will be very necessary to keep the mosquitoes far away from you.
I got you.
Mommy, look, a deer!
Wow. I will make your photos.
No, Mommy.
The animals in nature need to be respected. Don't do anything that can bother them.
I love the animals so much.
I am hungry.
Marek, no!
Okay.
I have a better snack for you.
Don't eat anything that you are not sure is edible. So, it is better to carry some fruits with you.
Yummy. Mommy!
Please, keep the trash with you until you find a trash can, because they can be harmful to the nature and animals.
Are we there yet?
No,
Are we there yet?
not yet.
It takes forever.
Let's try this way. We can be there faster.
You always need to pay attention to the pathway, because if you don't follow it, you can get lost.
It wasn't a good idea. I don't know where we are.
There it is.
Here we are, a golden lake.
Mommy, a goldfish.
Make a wish.